Good evening, Southeast Texas. We're going to focus more on the forecast aspect of things and that of the watches and warnings, and quite frankly, there's just so many that it gets jumbled up. What we're anticipating, this is a short-range model, a short-term model that usually does pretty well. It's done well the past couple of mornings at this time, so we'll really follow this and see exactly what it has. As we go throughout the next few hours, it looks like the weather should stay relatively what it is right now. But once we get past 10 o'clock towards 11 o'clock, notice that we really start seeing these showers and storms fill back into Southeast Texas. So it doesn't matter if you're in Hampshire, or if you're in Orange, or if you're in Silsbee, if you're in Bridge City, if you're in Mauriceville, if you're over in Danby, if you're in Toledo Bend, or if you're over towards Saratoga. We are anticipating more heavy rain into tonight as well as tomorrow morning, and Futurecast depicts that pretty well, as we have had the past couple of mornings, say from about midnight till about 6, 7 in the morning. We've seen some pretty heavy rain, and that looks to be the case yet again as we do get into tomorrow. Look at Futurecast as well as we get towards, say, the later portion of the morning hours as well as the afternoon tomorrow. Notice a lot of rain still within Southeast Texas, with it being pretty heavy as well as the middle of Harvey gets closer and closer to Southeast Texas and looks to make landfall as we get into Wednesday. And with that said, you could see this is an all-day event yet again tomorrow. I don't see quite as many breaks tomorrow as what we had today and the previous days, but still, I think we get some of them here and there. But watch out for more heavy rain that does look to be within Southeast Texas before this is all said and done for the day on Tuesday. The movement of Harvey looks to be that in that I think the winds will start to pick up a little bit with this specific storm. The sustained winds right now are at about 45 miles per hour, which is 5 miles per hour higher than what it was when it was still on the land. It's off of into the Gulf of Mexico now. I think as we get over towards the High Island area, when it does make landfall come Wednesday morning, the sustained winds with this will be somewhere right around 55, 60, maybe even 65 miles per hour. Not going to say that there's a 0% chance that this could even redevelop back into a Category 1 hurricane, but the different dynamics with this specific storm aren't quite there. It doesn't have quite as good of a center of circulation as far as the southern portion of the storm than what it had earlier this week or even over this past weekend. With that said, we're still anticipating a lot of rain. That continues to be the main thing that we'll be concerned about, is that a lot of rain looks to come from this storm as it does make its pass into Southeast Texas into the day on Wednesday. Coastal forecast, southeast winds 20 to 25 knots, only one high tide, and that's right after midnight tomorrow morning. And for the rest of tonight, we'll continue to see intervals of rain that will be heavy at time, and pretty much you could say the same exact thing yet again tomorrow. More rain that will be on and off through the day and be heavy at times. We get red bar days for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I cannot wait to get rid of those red bar days, and it looks like that will be the case as we get further into Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We'll finally be able to get rid of those red bar days, maybe have some of those yellow bars instead. So pretty good looking forecast it looks like we'll have as we get into the weekend. Dejanique, back over to you.
Thanks, Eric. Check this video out. Our 12 News reporter Jackie Massey